had a love for tinkering with motors, and so it was just kind of clear cut what I wanted to do. Is just deciding whether I go the petrol route or the diesel route, and I wanted to go diesel.
Safety-wise, they'll tell you everything that you need to know before you even start. You always do the bookwork before you start the hands-on, so if you don't have any experience, I didn't have any experience when I came in, but they will give you all of the supplies that you need. The instructor is very helpful, and if you need anything, you can just always go to him.
I just think CTC is a very real and achievable place to get started, no matter if you just have the slightest bit of interest or if you're full-blown passionate about anything.
The classroom environment is very laid back. It's self-paced, so I can go at my own pace. The professors are very easy to talk to, very easy to learn from, and very hands-on.